Here's a question for you. And the question is, when? Hi, Ian here. So, listen up while I help you understand how we use the present continuous for future actions. Here are some more examples. Jonathan is arriving. I can see his car in the street. Jonathan's brother is arriving on Monday, around 7:30 a.m. He sent me a message this morning. When? This is probably the most important word we need to ask when trying to understand verb forms. What's the process here? Let's look at an example. We're doing a physics exam. When? Just with this, at the moment, it's not clear. But if we say, we're doing a physics exam, with a full stop and no other time reference, we can see that it refers to now, at the moment. Another, we're doing a history exam. When? Again, at the moment is not clear. But if we listen to the rest of the phrase, we're doing a history exam tomorrow morning, with the time reference tomorrow morning, we can see clearly that the history exam is in the future. So far we have Stan studying in the library, now. Jonathan is arriving, now. Stan studying at Megan's house this evening, the future. Jonathan's brother is arriving on Monday, also the future. So, with a future time expression and the present, we can refer to the future, right? It's logical, but hold your horses a moment. Is it? Always? When can we use the present continuous for the future? Can we say, for example, my leg's hurting next Thursday? Or, Johnny's having an accident in November. It's snowing tomorrow night. I'm giving a conference at the end of this month. The simple answer is no, not always. My leg's hurting next Thursday? No way. John is having an accident in November? No. It's snowing tomorrow night? No, not possible. I'm giving a conference at the end of this month? Yes, this is possible. Why? Compare these two sentences. A, they're running the London Marathon next week. B, they're having an accident next week. In A, you can see clearly that they have a plan, an arrangement for the marathon. In B, there is no plan or arrangement to have an accident. Who plans to have an accident? All the common future time words or phrases can be used. For example, this afternoon, tonight, tomorrow, tomorrow afternoon, etc. Or next week, next month, next December, in 2 weeks' time, in 6 months' time, in 2021, etc. If it's in your agenda, it's an arrangement, a plan, and it's possible to use the present continuous. What about negatives and questions? Yes, of course. I'm not doing classes next week because I'm going on holiday. Another example. Mary isn't volunteering to help at the next educational conference because she's having a baby 1 month before. And in questions? Yes, we use the present continuous to ask questions about future arrangements. For example, where are you going on holiday this summer? When are they signing the contract for the new order? Who are they signing it with? Is that clear? Let's recap the basics. If you or somebody else has a plan that is arranged, organized in your agenda, with a future time, it is absolutely normal, natural English to use the present continuous. In fact, you must do. If it's in somebody's agenda, it's an arrangement, and it's possible to use the present continuous in affirmatives, negatives, and questions. If you'd like a summary chart of this lesson, click on the description bar below. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you come back soon.